For number 1, what you're going to do is just start dividing it up. First thing you want to know is the domain. The domain is going to be all reals except the vertical asymptotes. And where will those be? Yeah, x equal to -3 and x equal to 3. Or you can just say all reals except -3 and 3. That'll work. Or you can say x not equal to -3 and 3. You can do that as well. Then we want to know the vertical asymptotes. Well, this is the vertical asymptotes here. X equal to -3, x equal to 3. So we got that. What do they want to know next? The holes. Did any factors factor out here? We should probably write these out. This is going to be 3x, and I think this is going to be -2 and +1, x plus 3, x minus 3. Did anything cancel out? Nope. So there are no holes for this one. If they did factor out, let's say the x minus 2's canceled out. You'd set x minus 2 equals 0, and you'd say x equal 2 is the whole. You can put the 2 in to get the y value. It wasn't the case in this one. Then it says horizontal asymptote. This is all set up. Y is going to be equal to 3 over 1. 3 over 1. And that is your horizontal asymptote. Okay, and you can find the x-intercepts. X-intercepts will be at -1/3 and 2. The y-intercepts will be -2 over -9, or just 2/9. Going to number 2 here, you got everything on one side. Let's factor this out. If we factor it out, you're going to get x times x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x minus 2, x plus 1, greater than or equal to 0. Now, does anything cancel? Well, factoring x squared plus 2x plus 1, that is going to factor into x plus 1 times x plus 1. And then factoring, these are going to factor out. So that's going to leave x times x plus 1 over x minus 2. So now you do the number line thing. 0, -1, and 2 are your breaking points. And then you need to check each interval. Check this one, this one, this one, and this one here. And just do your test intervals and see which ones are what. What are we checking for here? Greater than 0, that means they need to be positive, right? So if they're positive, then you're going to include that in your answer. Do I need to do any of that? Andy, did you want me to do any of that? That's good. Everybody's good with the test intervals? Okay, then the last thing is actually the quickest of all of these, okay, is we're going to set up the equation only. You have area equal to pi r squared plus 2r. I don't like that x. I wish the x was gone. How can I get rid of the x? What do I go? I go to my first equation, equation 1, and I replace it. So you get 0.25 minus 2 pi r equal to 2x. X is going to be 0.25 minus 2 pi r over 2. And you just put that in. 0.25 minus 2 pi r over 2. And now we have an equation that only has r's in it. For area, we're done. That's it for review.